Hey everyone, today we're going to be assembling the CR10S-MAX. It's huge. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut it open. Okay, open it up. It's so big. The box is just huge. There's a note. How nice. Okay. So, attention. Please do not move nozzle in hotbed quickly during power on running. Prevent to automatic shutdown electricity current. Noted. Oh my. Oh. That is the print bed right there. Hold on. Okay, so this is the Mandalorian helmet that I printed on my Ender 5, and it took up the whole bed on my Ender 5. Now look at it on this new print bed. I could print like 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I've just removed everything from the box, and here is everything included. So now we're gonna get started putting it together. So going by the instructions, you put 2 of these in there, and then this goes in there. Okay, so now that we got these together, we gotta put some of the pull rods onto right there. My shadow's pulling at it. So now that we got one of the poles on there, we gotta get another one on there. Okay, so now that we got all that, we got to put some screws on the end. Okay, once you have this frame on top of this machine, you put these little screws here, 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 and here. Okay, we got the screws in, and one word of advice, something the instructions don't tell you is when you're screwing these in, you have to actually pick this box up off the ground to screw them in. So sometimes it needs 2 people. My brother helped me with this part. So yeah, you just hold it up and then screw it in. And then that'll get you where you need to be. Okay, now what you have to do is put this big piece on top of there, and then put screws down in those 2 holes, and same on the other side. Okay, once you've put both of the screws down on the bottom on both sides, you're going to want to take these poles and then slide them in up there. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest, I skipped ahead on accident, and once you have put these in down there, you're going to want to take these and put them in there roughly, and then screw them in. Same thing for over here, up there as well. After doing the T's over here, you're gonna want to install these poles right here. Now what we do is we unscrew this a little bit, and then get just right so that it will pop off. It's starting to come off. And then once that's done, slide that through there, and then you put the cap back on. Once you have everything on, you're going to want to put this piece all the way up here. This printer is going to be so tall, it doesn't even fit in my video frame. So now, what you have to do is these cords down here are the Z cords, and you have to plug them in. You have to plug them in back there to this motor. There's a little plug-in right back there. You can see the top of it. You have to plug it in on either sides. Now you just gotta plug in the rainbow cable over here, and then this one over here. Okay, and once you have everything assembled, everything plugged in, find a 3-pronged wall outlet, plug it in there, come over here, plug it in right there, and then we can flip it on. For the very first time ever, it might explode. Oh yes, it worked. Woo. Okay, now that the printer is on, we get to open this full 1,000 gram roll of filament that it came with, which is great. Normally a roll of filament like this costs me $30, and my Ender 5 Pro in there came with 200 grams of filament, so this is great. So, gotta open it. Yeah! Gotta get in there. Open it up. Now that we got the filament open, we can step up and put it all the way up on this filament roll. Okay, so we put the TF card in there. Let's finish loading the filament. So, we click temperature, and then we'll go manual. So, I can't even get over that, can't get over that touchscreen. So, nozzle preheat, I imagine. So up here it says to click to 200. Okay, so we went ahead and fed the filament in. So what you had to do is make sure the blue light is on. That means filament's running through. And then you squeeze this, and then make sure the filament goes all the way through there and into the nozzle. Let's tell you, this is way too long. So an easy fix to this system is to use a simple pulley system. Tie some string to this side, and then put a counterweight up here. I used a Lego Hulk just because it seemed about the right weight. And so now, as it prints, Hulk will get lower, and this will never ruin any of your prints. So, yeah, that's one suggestion I have to counter the problem of having this line be way too long, and eventually I will fix that. But this is an easy solution. So, see you guys tomorrow morning. Okay, so it's been a while, but I got my first print going. And so, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share the video. And goodbye.